To load SumiMark tubing, begin by lifting the tubing cover of your SumiMark printer, then open the printhead. Place your spool of tubing on the stand with the tubing feeding off the bottom, then pass the tubing straight through the printhead. Ensure that there's plenty of slack in the tubing inside the printer. Close the printhead and follow the routing diagram on the inside of the cover door. Starting with the first rail, the tubing should be routed over, under, and over each rail respectively. The guides should be closed until they are a hair's width from the edge of the tubing to properly guide the material through the machine. Ensure that you have the printhead latch set to the proper pressure setting for your tubing, then proceed with printing your markers.